So I'm going to show you how to do a fillet steak, and I've already got mine cooking because it takes about 7 to 10 minutes to cook. With steak, basically, fillet steak is a real indulgence and it's a real treat, so you want to try and treat it with a bit of TLC. So this steak here is about an inch and a half thick, and the way I usually judge it is for medium, do about 5 minutes on each side, medium rare, do 1 minute less, and well done, do 1 minute more on each side. So that's kind of a nice gauge to give you a good idea. I like to char grill it and get the char grill really, really hot, just the slightest bit of oil on your steak, and put it onto a really hot pan, and then that will give you these really nice crunchy bits on the outside, like this, okay? So mine is cooking away there, and it's nearly ready. What we're going to serve this with is really simple. This dish is all about simplicity of ingredients. So you've got some purple sprouting broccoli, which we're going to just boil really quickly. All they take is about a minute. So here I've got some salted boiling water, and I'm just going to put them in there, okay? So try and heat up nice and high on those and get those cooking. And you want to be careful with those, you don't want to cook them for too long because you want them to keep their lovely purple and green colour. And then we're just going to serve this with this kind of almost like a little tomato salad, because tomatoes are coming into season and they just taste so, so good. So we've got some yellow tomatoes here, and we've got some parsley, and this is literally as simple as getting a bowl, putting both the ingredients in, so there you've got your tomatoes and your parsley. You just want a small little pinch of salt in there, some really nice extra virgin olive oil, and just drizzle that. Just a small bit, not too much, and mix that together really, really well. And it might all seem very simple, but the flavour of all of these ingredients, because they're all in season, will just be work so nicely together, and sometimes less is more. It just works better. So then you will see, we've got just this really nice little tomato salad there. If you want, you can mix up the colours. You can buy red ones and yellow ones and green ones and whatever, just to make it nice and pretty. So that's our steak done. That's literally enough time for broccoli, so I'm going to go and drain that. Put that back in there, and then for the broccoli, you'll see it's still this really amazing green colour, and there's a nice distinction between the green colour and the purple bits at the top, which is what you're looking for. So just get a knob of butter about this size, okay? Put that straight onto your broccoli, a little pinch of salt, some pepper, okay? And again, all you want to do with that is just mix it around really well, so that all the butter gets incorporated really nicely. Okay, so that is basically all the components of your dish done, and then serving it could not be simpler. So all you need is just a little spoon or spatula or whatever it is you have, and just place your purple sprouting broccoli on the plate first. You see how green they are, and then you'll have a tiny little bit of butter in the bottom. You can drizzle that on top, be ashamed to waste it. And then get your fillet steak, and you'll see your fillet steak is all really nice and char grilled, okay, which is what you're looking for. So that goes straight on top of that, and then simply enough, all you have to do then is place your tomato salad on top of the steak, and that's it. That's your dish, and I guarantee you it will just be so, so good. It's so simple, so flavoursome, and it's all about the fillet steak that's in the middle. It's the star of the show, so don't mess around with it too much. So try it out, it's really nice.